Axie Jabber value equivalent to $5.617 a coin. The present exchange cost range, Jibber 57136. The earlier day closed Jibber. The change was Jabber plus 5.72%. Opposite rate Jabbered AXS. Dollar to Axie Jibber estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.130. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.139. Change for February 13.1%. USD to AXS expectation for walk Jabber. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.178 while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.156. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end Jabber. Change for spring 19.4%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for April Jabber. In the first place, cost at 0.166 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.154. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.165. Change for Jabber 0.6%. USD to Jabber expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.165 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.148. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.160. The USD to AXS figure toward the Jibber end 0.158. Change for May 4.2%. Dollar to Axie Jabber figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 0.158 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.164 while low Jibber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.155. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.153. Change for June Jibber. US to AXS expectation for Jibber 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.158 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end Jibber. Change for July is 3.9%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for Jibber 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.147 while low Jibber. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.136. The Jibber to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.130. Change for August minus 11.6%. USD to Jibber expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at Jibber coins. Jabber cost 0.13 while low 0.14. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to AXS estimate toward the month's end 0.112. Change for September 13.8%. Dollar to Jabber Infinity estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.112 Jabber. Jibber cost 0.115 while low 0.10. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.107. Change for October 4.5%. USD to Jibber expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.107 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.086. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS Jibber toward the month's end 0.093. Change for November minus 13.1%. Dollar to Jibber Infinity estimate for December 2025. To start with, cost at 0.093 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 0.93 while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The Jibber to AXS estimate toward the month's end 0.080. Change for December 14.0%. USD to Jabber expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 0.080 Jibber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.065. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.074. The USD to Jabber figure toward the month's end 0.069. Change for January 13.8%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for February Jibber. Jibber cost at 0.069 coins. Excessive cost 0.74 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS figure toward the Jabber end 0.69. Change for February 0.0%. USD to AXS expectation for walk Jabber. In the first place, cost at 0.069 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 0.071 while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.066. Change for spring Jabber. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for April Jibber. In the first place, cost at 0.066 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.071 while low 61. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the month's end Jabber. Change for April 0.0%. Jabber to AXS expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.066 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the month's end 0.076 change for May Jabber. Dollar to Axie Infinity Gibber for June 2026. First and Jabber cost at 0.76 coins, Gibber cost 0.094 while low 0.076. The found the middle value of cost Gibber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.087 change for June Gibber. USD AXS expectation for Gibber 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.087 Jabber, exorbitant cost 0.10 while low Gibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS gauge toward the Gibber end 0.093 change for July 6.9%. Dollar to Jabber Infinity gauge for August 2026. To start with, cost at Jabber coins. Gibber cost 0.113 while low 0.093. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the month's end 0.105 change for August Gibber. Jabber to AXS expectation for September 2026. To start with, cost at 0.15 Jabber. Jabber cost 0.130 while low 0.105. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS figure toward the Gibber end 0.121 change for September 15 2%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for October Gibber. Initially cost at 0.121 Jabber, excessive cost Jabber, while low 0.097. The Gibber at the midpoint of cost 0.111. The USD to AXS figure toward the month's end 0.104 change for Gibber 14.0%. US to AXS Gibber for November 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.104 Jabber, exorbitant cost 0.130 while low Gibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Gibber to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.121 change for November 16.3%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for December Gibber. In the first place, cost at Gibber coins. Jabber cost 0.155 while low 0.121. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.135. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the month's end 0.144 change for December Gibber. USD to AXS Jabber for January 2027. Before all else, cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.184 while low Gibber. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.161. The USD to AXS conjecture toward the month's end 0.171 change for January Jabber. Dollar to Axie Jabber estimate for February 2027. First and Gibber cost at 0.171 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.207 while low Gibber. The found the middle value of cost Gibber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the month's end 0.192 change for Jabber 12.3%. USD to AXS expectation for walk Jabber. First and foremost, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.192. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Gibber to AXS gauge toward the month's end 0.229 change for spring 19.3%. Dollar to Axie Infinity Jabber for April 2027.